Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explain how to change your Google photo. Google profile photo change. So today video totally helpful. So please subscribe our channel and like this video. So I'm just click on browser and select Google Chrome browser. So if you any browser selected, but I recommend and I like this browser Google Chrome. So now click Google Apps and click Accounts. So go to my account and you watching and click profile and click and just remove or change. So I click change and I use Illustrator and from computer. So I just example and change the email on so one just like dinosaur. Okay, and I like just like horse. Okay, the background and edit anything color. Okay, ground color. Okay, I select this manual color and horn is the purple. Okay, and unicorn just like pink. Okay, dark pink, the dark purple. Okay, just next and click save your browsers. So just change your browser and saving profile pictures. So profile picture is update done. Okay, then close. So I'm just reload and automatically reload, then I'm again reload. So Islam is my profile name. Okay, just change your unicorn profile. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. So goodbye.